Mobile device scanning enables the operator to case pack their units with minimal equipment. Using the optical camera on the mobile device, the operator can capture multiple units at once. All Lucid IDs that are caught in the camera's eye will be scanned. This allows the operator to wand the phone over the units they have laid out to optimize their packing station. Save time and enhance your operations with Lucid ID. Trigger scanning empowers the operator with freedom and flexibility on the production floor. Using a handheld scanner does not only provide a more ergonomic solution, it also ensures that these units will be scannable at retail. Save time and enhance your operations with Lucid ID. Grocery-style scanning enables the operator to use both hands when case packing units. This method is optimal even when casing pre-roll and jar-style packaging. With a fixed distance of 3 inches from scanning device to unit, the operator is now in full control on the manufacturing floor. Save time and enhance your operations with Lucid ID. Conveyor belt grocery-style scanning enables the operator to lay out multiple units to be scanned when case packing in production. The scanning device is most optimal when 3 inches from the conveyor belt in which units are passing through. This solution is best used when scanning mylar bags and/or boxed units that have the label facing the scanner. Save time and enhance your operations with Lucid ID.